I welcome all of you. As you know, YourPedia is covering now GATE 2021 very closely, and we are giving you the kind of information which you may not be getting anywhere else. And we are covering this particular thing from different aspect. So today video, I'm going to discuss with you one very interesting thing. You know, GATE exam is not a very difficult exam, but you know how many percentage of student clear this exam? Only 18% qualify. So 5 to 6 lakh people write this exam, or 18%, 18 to 90% students, one fifth only qualify this exam. The level of preparation of the student is such that I think 40% student, 40 to 50% student should qualify. Qualify is very less. You know, for general category, qualifying marks are somewhere around 30, 25 to 30 marks. I'll give you the statistics. But only 18 to 19% qualify. And there's another very interesting thing. Uh, Another very interesting thing is there are 10 to 15% of the students who miss this exam by less than 5 marks. Listen again carefully. There are I think 10% to 15%, I think that will be 10 to 15% students or more than that, who miss this exam only because they score less marks. How many marks they score less is 5 to 10 marks, that's it. So they score one more mark, they will qualify. They score 0.5 more mark, they will score. There are so many such students. So is there any strategy can we make this 18% to 30%? Answer is yes, and it can be very easily done. And that is where YourPedia is going to now work for this particular season. YourPedia is going to work on this particular thing only. You know, YourPedia has previously worked on certain aspects successfully, like we covered very effectively engineering services paper 1, post-gate counseling for PSUs, GDs and all. So we are now going to work on this. This is my now mission to increase this number from 18% to 30%. It can be done. It is not that it is with our help you will do, but if you become self-aware, you can do that. There are so many students, 15 to 20% students, who at this level, their level of preparation is not very good, but if they keep on pushing, they will qualify. But they stop pushing. That is where we want to now penetrate actually, and we want to bring that number into 30%. So nobody is going to tell you that if merely you qualify GATE, you will get something. YourPedia, I think, is the only platform where we keep telling you that if you qualify GATE, you have a career with you. Why? Because think of if you have 70% plus in your BTech general category, or 60% plus in SC, ST and OBC and other categories, then you will get calls from IITs. Think of you 75% or 80% and you qualify this exam, you land up in IIT with a scholarship 30,000 rupees per month. So that is good, no, that is very good. But think of if you don't qualify, you miss it by 1 mark, you miss it by 1 mark, you miss 1 year. You understand that way. And why you miss by 1 mark? Because nobody told you that you just push hard, your level is good and you can qualify it. And that is where I'm going to tell you that it is very easy, not difficult. You can do that. All of you, those who have level of preparation as of now 25-30 marks, 25-30 marks is not big. So that is the level of preparation. If you have thoda sa aur push karenge, and you will come into that category of qualifier. And the moment you qualify, we are going to tell you, you can get into IITs. And we have been telling that. I mean, every season we are coming with counseling and we are helping you to get into IITs with the PhDs, master's courses, MS courses. Though there are so many departments, winter admission, summer admission, there are opportunities. So we need to come into this particular group. Now, let me tell you some statistics. This is, I have taken statistics of last year, GATE 2020, of each branch and qualifying marks. You see, general category is 27, OBC 24, SC ST 18 marks are qualifying. Think of civil engineering 33 marks, 29 marks, 21 marks. So that means if you score 33 marks in general category, you qualify. 32.9, but if your marks are 32.4, you miss it. And there are thousands of such students who score between 25 to 30, they do not qualify it. And BTech percentage 75, 80, so they don't qualify. And I want basically to request and help such students to get into that category. Similarly, if you talk about other branches like electrical engineering, same situation. Talk about other engineering like mechanical engineering, 34 marks, 30 marks, 22 marks. These are the qualifying marks. And let me give you this data also. Last 2020 May, these many students filled the form and these many students appeared. So 6,85,000 appeared for this exam. Only 18% qualified. And this 18% can become 30% if you score 5 more marks. If you score, those who did not score, if they were at the border, the students who were at the border, if they score 5 more marks, then this number will become 30%. So this is what where we should make the dent. So there are so many of you students last year also who missed the gate by only less than 5 marks. They missed the career for 1 year, you know, because if your BTech CGPA is good and if you qualify gate, you stand chance. If you do not qualify gate, you do not stand chance. Now YourPedia is going to help all these students free of cost. We are not charging, as you know, YourPedia, so many modules run free of cost. We are going to help all such students who miss the chance by very small marks and tell you the strategy, make you prepare those topics which are very simple topics, easy topic, and help you get 5 to 10 more marks. Even if I assume your level of preparation as of now is very less, but now you decide like next 2 to 3 months we'll put our level best, I'll give 100%, you can do that. And I tell you one more thing, like this is the time in which you should make some strategy. I call you qualifiers. I call all those students who can qualify this exam but may not qualify this exam because nobody's guiding them and telling them that qualifying gate has a meaning. Not qualifying and qualifying, only these two categories are there. Everyone is going to tell you if you do not get 70-80, you don't get PSU, there is no life. I'm going to tell you, if you qualify it, there is a career. And you know, after doing masters from India, you can get scholarship abroad, you can get direct PhD, 30,000 scholarship in India itself, you can get placement in good courses in IITs. Even if the department you find like oceaneering, in that department you get very good jobs. I'm going to tell you that, but you should come in the category of qualifier first. That means you have to qualify this exam. Now this particular, I have already covered the categories of 3 categories of students. I'm talking about the qualifier category, the category in which level of preparation is not very good. I mean, you started late or for whatever reason, and now you are fearing, you are thinking like quitting, you are thinking that okay, I cannot get more than 40-50 marks, so why to put effort? I want you to focus on this and qualify it. If you qualify, there is an opportunity for us, and that is what we are to do. So here you do not only need to put effort, perspiration. Perspiration means effort. Not only that, inspiration is also required. And who is going to inspire you? Entire team YourPedia is going to inspire you. I'm going to make WhatsApp group of different branches of such students whose level of preparation is less. Give them very easy subjects or topics from where questions surely comes, with the minimum preparation, how to score 30 to 40 marks and qualify this exam. That is what we are going to do it. Now, as our modus operandi, our method is we gather the groups of the student, put them in different categories and try to help them. Similarly, now there's a Google form attached just below the video. Fill the Google form, but only those of you who are qualifier. Qualifier means their level of preparation is not very good, who are fearing, who are thinking they may not qualify this exam. They are studying, they are serious, they are sincere. Those who are not sincere, or those who think their level of preparation is very good, they should not fill this form. For them, another form will come. There are 3 categories of students. So this form you have to fill only if you are in the qualifier category. Qualifier means you do not think that you may qualify, but still you are preparing for this exam and you do not have confidence as of now, losing confidence. So the strategy which you will be given, that will be different. So fill the form and we start preparation together. I hope you have understood my point. We will clear this exam, and this year we'll take this 18% to 30%. I'm sure you will be with me in this. So let's do it and let's get career.